for. Right, so Herbie. We'll start with Herbie. The distance, because that's the bit that's missing from Herbie. So how did we work that out? We covered the distance up, speed times time, which gives us 105 kilometres.
Yeah.
Okay. So then we came to the Mustang. We're looking for the time because we've got the speed and we've got the distance.
Distance divided by speed.
So it's 100 divided by 40.
Yeah.
Yeah? Is that right? Is it distance divided by time?
Yeah.
Speed, sorry?
2.5.
2.5 hours. Yeah? 2.5. The DB5 then, we've got the distance and we've got the time, so it means we're looking for the speed. Speed is
Distance divided by time.
90 divided by 2. Speed, so it's kilometres per hour. So which car travels the furthest? Herbie, 105 kilometres. Which car travels the fastest? DB5, 45 kilometres an hour. And which car travels for the longest time? We're back to Herbie again. Yeah? There you go, let's see if we're right. Boom, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, fairly straightforward. Just remember that triangle. So you've got to remember that triangle. Because the rest of the information is given to you in the question. What would this look like in an exam? Yeah, we've looked at some good examples there, but what would this, what we just learned about, what would it look like in an exam? Would it look like this? This is an exam question. Lucia is driving to a meeting. She needs to drive for 58 miles on the motorway. The maximum speed limit on the motorway is 70. Lucia will not drive over the speed limit. Work out the minimum time Lucia will spend driving on the motorway. Give your answer correct to the nearest minute. So it's looking for a full minute answer. Okay? That's the exam style question. Do you recognise anything? Yeah, got to do a bit of a conversion at the end. Put the formula on here just so we remember it. Okay, there's your little triangle. What are we looking for? Time. So it's distance divided by speed. Then you've got to give your answer in minutes. And then make it, that's it, you've got to make that into a 4 minute, that's all you've got to do. Shall we look at it? Shall we look at the answer? Yeah? We're looking for time. So we cover the time up. We've got distance divided by speed. Okay, distance divided by speed. That's 58 divided by 70. Okay, 58 divided by 70. That gives us 0.8 0.8 something. Yeah? What would you need to do with that number, do you think? Times it by 60 to get it into the minutes. Yeah? Ooh. 58 divided by 70 gives you 0.828. Times that by 60 because of 6 minutes in the hour gives us 49.714. Round it up to the nearest minute. 50 minutes.
I divided it and then I was like, hang on a minute.
I went to do
right.
that.
You'd have recognised,
Yeah.
wouldn't you? And you recognise it because the number went suddenly a lot smaller.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ooh, that
That's
can't
right,
be
I did
right.
it first and I was like, that's wrong, Chris.
Yeah.
Can't be
1.16,
right.
so
Yeah.
I'm dividing that by.
So that's what an exam style question would look like. Yeah? Not difficult because what you need is in it. That bit there is your difficulty. Do you times it or do you divide it? But like you've just said, you do it one way and you instantly recognise I've got that wrong because it can't be a minute. That's not a minute, it's way too small for a minute. Yeah? Not very popular in the exam, but if you do get one, remember this and remember this, timesing or dividing by 60, yeah? Especially if you've got hours and minutes in the exam, okay? Does that make sense?